Why learn SQL? Simply because SQL skills are among the most in-demand IT skills, and they have been for several years. In today's digital world, knowing at least one computer language is mandatory for good career opportunities. That's the ultimate reason why you should learn SQL, an easy and highly universal language. Now, if you aren't sure where to start, you have selected the right course. Learning SQL is beneficial for several reasons. First, database management. SQL is the standard language for managing and querying relational databases. It allows you to interact with the databases, retrieve data, modify data, create and manage structures, and perform various administrative tasks. Secondly, data analysis. SQL is a powerful tool for data analysis. It enables you to extract, filter, and manipulate large data sets efficiently. You can write complex queries to join multiple tables, aggregate data, calculate statistics, and generate insightful reports. Thirdly, data integration. Many applications and systems rely on databases to store and retrieve data. By learning SQL, you can integrate and communicate with these databases effectively. It enables you to extract data from different data sources, transform it, and load it into your application or reporting tool. Fourthly, career opportunities. SQL skills are highly sought after in the job market, especially for roles in data analysis, data administration, and software development. Proficiency in SQL can enhance your employability and open up a wide range of career opportunities. And last but not least, efficiency and productivity. With SQL, you can perform complex data operations with minimal code. It allows you to write concise and optimized queries, which leads to improved efficiency and productivity in data-related tasks. Overall, learning SQL empowers you to work with databases, analyze data, make data-driven decisions, and pursue a successful career in various fields involving data management and data analysis.